They have made some real memories for a lot of us, haven't they? So dust off the turn, get your workers ready as we fire up the Greatest Hits Radio main stage for our festival headliners weekender. And what a great start it too, with Soul Man and Sam and Dave.
Fucking hell, you nearly took your front off.
Idiot.
Where did he come?
In the capital, 48% is occupied by foreign-born heads of household, which is data from the 2021 census. So you can imagine, since 2021, 4 years ago, London has become even more foreign, as far as I can say, as far as I can see just from walking around. So I imagine that actually 48% has probably now become 55%.
Yeah, these households benefit from.
5%.
Yeah, these households benefit from, and Telegraph unfortunately benefit from cheap rents, which when compared to the cost of private housing in London, that means a discount.
Because it's social housing.
Yeah.
And this is what the big row is with Angela Rayner. She's pledging to have more social housing built. But people are getting sick to the back teeth and going, well, that's fine, you're building social housing. But who's getting Labour, sorry to the airspace.
But those people who supported Rupert Lowe or who had sympathies with
Lit this vehicle up, it's unsafe to allow it to continue, it's veering between lanes, 2 near miss collisions now. I'm just putting a rolling road on now to protect members of the public. Risk is high. He's going off. He's gone off. Thank you. Gone off again.
Fucking hell!
fucking hell!